What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Engineers Heaven, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mechanical engineering, a field that's literally built the world around us. From the Industrial Revolution's steam engines to today's smartphones, mechanical engineering has always been the backbone of progress. But hold on, because the engineering landscape is changing faster than ever. We're talking rapid technological advancements, environmental concerns that are forcing everyone to rethink how things work, and a global industry that's in a constant state of flux. It's wild out there. So, if you're an aspiring engineer, or maybe even a seasoned pro, you gotta stay ahead of the curve. That's what today's video is all about. We're gonna break down the hottest, and let's be honest, the not-so-hot areas of mechanical engineering as we head into 2024 and beyond. We'll look at industry demand, how technology is shaking things up, and of course the jobs, because at the end of the day, we've all gotta pay the bills, am I right? Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with the rock stars of the future: renewable energy and sustainable systems. You know, for the longest time we've been doing things the old-fashioned way, burning stuff, creating pollution, and basically messing up the planet. But guess what? People are wising up, and everyone's looking for cleaner, greener ways to power our world. That's where you brilliant mechanical engineers come in. We're talking massive wind turbines that'll make your head spin. Pun intended. Solar trackers that follow the sun like a sunflower on a summer day. And geothermal systems that tap into the Earth's natural heat. It's like we're living in the future. Now, if you want to ride this wave of change, you better brush up on your thermodynamics, renewable energy system design, and maybe even a little bit of environmental science. Trust me, these skills are going to be more valuable than gold in the coming years. Next up, we've got another industry that's electrifying the world, literally. Electric vehicles are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, they're quiet, and they're taking over the roads. Governments around the world are pushing for cleaner transportation, offering sweet incentives, and investing billions in EV infrastructure. For mechanical engineers, this means a tidal wave of opportunities in EV design and manufacturing. Think about it. We need people to design those sleek, aerodynamic bodies, optimize battery performance, and develop cutting-edge drivetrain systems. And hey, if you're a coding whiz, get ready to dive into the world of MATLAB and Simulink. These software tools are basically your magic wands for making these electric beasts come to life. Hold on tight because things are about to get really exciting. It's robot time. We're living in the age of Industry 4.0, where automation and robotics are transforming the way we manufacture, well, everything. Factories are becoming smarter, faster, and more efficient, and they need skilled engineers to make it all happen. This is where you mechanical masterminds come in. We're talking about designing and programming sophisticated robots for precision manufacturing, developing automated systems that run like clockwork, and creating smart factories that seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. If you're good with PLC programming, industrial IoT, and you've always wanted to build your own robot army, this is your chance. You know what's even cooler than robots? Printing them? Okay, maybe not just printing robots, but pretty much anything you can dream up. Additive manufacturing, or as the cool kids call it, 3D printing, is revolutionizing the way we design and create products. We're talking about building lighter and stronger components for airplanes and spacecraft, creating custom medical implants that fit like a glove, and even printing entire houses. It's mind-blowing stuff. Now, to be a part of this 3D printing revolution, you need to master the art of CAD software like SolidWorks, understand the ins and outs of different additive manufacturing techniques, and have a knack for thinking outside the box. All right, let's take a break from the robots and spaceships for a moment and talk about something a bit more down to earth. With cities growing faster than ever and everyone trying to save the planet, the demand for energy-efficient and sustainable buildings is skyrocketing. That's where HVAC and green building systems come in. And no, I'm not talking about your grandpa's rusty old furnace. I'm talking about designing cutting-edge heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems that are so efficient they practically run on fresh air. To make it in this field, you'll need to be a master of AutoCAD MEP, understand the principles of thermodynamics and psychometrics. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds, and have a passion for creating comfortable and healthy indoor environments. Get ready for the ultimate mashup in the world of mechanical engineering mechatronics. This is where the mechanical and electrical worlds collide to create some seriously cool stuff. We're talking about machines that can think for themselves, adapt to their surroundings, and basically make our lives easier and more awesome. Think about it. Smart actuators that can precisely control motion, sensors that can detect even the slightest changes in the environment, and embedded systems that act as the brains of the operation. If you're fascinated by the intersection of mechanics, electronics, and computer science, this field is your jam. Oh, and don't forget to brush up on your embedded C programming and sensor technologies. Those skills will come in handy.